Hi! In this video, we're going to start a new topic: the motion in magnetic fields. Ask yourself, what is the most useful form of energy on Earth? The answer will be the electrical energy. And that's because it is easily converted into motion by a motor. For example, loudspeakers, hair dryers, and vacuum cleaners are a few everyday examples, appliances which turn electricity into movement using a motor. And they all use an effect known as the motor effect. If we have a wire and the current passes through it, then it produces the magnetic field. Then, if we place a magnet in this magnetic field, there will be a force. Let's observe what we have said in this example. First, when we have no current flowing, the wire does not move at all. Now let's apply current that is moving in the direction towards you. What do you observe? Which way does the wire move? Yes, it moves upward. Now let's change the current so it flows away from you. Which way does the wire move now? Yes, it moves downward. You must have noticed that the direction of the magnetic field is from the left to the right. But if the magnetic field is reversed, the movement would change direction too. And here's the full table of field, current, and motion for the motor effect. And here, when we change the direction of the magnetic field, the wire's motion is reversed.